Shallots. So the shallot is simply another species of the onion, so we want to treat it the same way. So I'll begin by slicing off the tunic and then removing the skin and first layer. And here we have our root. I'll simply shave off the hairs while keeping it intact. I'll then slice in half. And the first method is to cut thinly into half circles, which are great as a base for sauces and soups. We can also treat it as we would an onion by making vertical and horizontal slits. I'll then slice thinly to achieve a fine dice. And there's our Brunoise shallot.